Here's 3 inexpensive ways to improve the soil in your garden. I am working with some old smart pots here on top of rocks, and the soil is really dead. There's no microbial life, there's no worms. The soil would dry out very easily and it was hard to get it wet. I am working on trying to bring life back to the soil. So the first thing I'm doing is called in-bed composting. So I'm digging down deep, pretty much to where the rocks are, and I am adding some unripe winter squash and a handful of worm castings that has worms in it. So hopefully these guys are going to reproduce themselves. Throwing in some slimy kale and then covering it up. I'll be covering this whole bed with leaves to keep the worms warm. Scrounging up leaves. I love town scoring. I love finding organic matter for free in town. I go to town and I look for yards that look organic, that have bags of leaves in front of them. I particularly like maple leaves. I fill up my van and I bring them home. And I put them on the beds. Each of these are laid out to go on the beds. I like to go out in the woods and look for places that have really good fungal activity. Look at all that great fungalness in there. Delicious.
Whenever I add woody debris to the soil, I like to also add some nitrogen.